Presenting the stretch film peel cling tester, a precision instrument designed to measure the cling strength of stretch films, ensuring optimal performance in packaging and load stabilization applications. In the packaging industry, cling performance is critical for keeping wrapped pallets stable without the need for additional adhesives or tapes. The stretch film peel cling tester accurately determines the force required to separate two layers of stretch film, helping manufacturers maintain consistent quality, improve wrapping efficiency, and reduce material usage. Complies with relevant standards. Contact us today to learn how this tester can strengthen your packaging quality and performance.